I just took a 0.6 hour loss on ANQ live today because I missed one crucial detail on the higher time frame. According to my plan, this orange zone was a valid entry. I was tracking the order flow, but I made one critical assumption, rather a mistake. I missed that we were wicking the higher time frame hourly low. And all this price action here was just wicking the higher time frame low. I stated in the stream that I will not be looking at this zone for an SNDR higher time frame entry unless we have a closure below the low. But I missed out that it was actually wicking, which means the hourly trend wasn't bearish anymore. It was turning bullish, since with the break of the higher time frame low comes the change in order flow. And I was actually shorting against the real momentum and paid a 0.6 hour tuition fee to the markets. Moral of the story is, don't ignore your higher time frame wicks. And if you want to see how we break this setup down live every single day, hit that subscribe button and catch you in the next stream.